human walking is a complex mechanical motion that includes the integrated action of many different body parts. We tend to think of normal human walking as being symmetrical, with reciprocal action on opposite sides so that the two legs are alternately moving through the same pattern. This reciprocal pattern, alternating flexion and extension, and alternating times of ground contact and swing through space, results in a fluctuating pattern of the center of mass of the body. Because the height of the body during walking is determined by the length and the angle of the supporting legs or struts, the height of the center of mass of the body moves up and down as walking progresses. When the center of mass is directly over one of the feet, it's at its highest point. And it moves down into a valley as it moves toward a position of being supported by both legs, which one is extended behind the body and one is extended in front of the body. Then the center of mass moves up again, up over the next foot. And so if we look at the motion of the center of mass in the sagittal plane, that is the side view of walking, what we see is a regular sinusoidal pattern of up and down movement of the center of mass moving forward in space as the body moves forward. A front view, looking at motion in the frontal plane, gives an impression of the side-to-side motion of the body. Typically, this is much less in extent than the vertical motion that we see from the side view. Of course, we'll see the vertical motion from the front view as well, but we'll also then see a slight side-to-side deviation representing the fact that as the body is supported by a single leg, there tends to be a lateral acceleration of the body since the base of support, the foot, is slightly offset to the side from the center of mass, and then the support vector of force acting from the ground through the body produces a slight sideward acceleration. Typically, in normal walking, the feet are placed relatively close to the midline, and so this lateral deviation is small. This can be different if the walking speed changes or in people who walk with particular abnormalities. So to summarize, the motion in the three-dimensional space of the center of mass during normal gait includes primarily a vertical fluctuation in the visible either from the side or the front view that reflects the fact of changing length of the support leg or strut, and a slight simultaneous side-to-side variation related to the slight lateral displacement of the foot with respect to the center of mass.